Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review powered by Grain Tech Bangladesh 2024. Your complete guide to planning a farm grain storage facility.
Potential of untapped crops to introduce nutritional diversity and achieve zero hunger.
Collaborative robots can assist industrial SMEs in introducing automated welding at a lower cost.
Termination of rheological properties of dough.
Propagation of golden rice and BT eggplant must be stopped.
Improving on excellence the new generation of grain cleaners.
One of the primary drivers of the scroll compressor market is the increasing demand for energy-efficient HVAC systems.
The increasing demand for precision and efficiency in the manufacturing industry is driving the growth in end milling machine.
A regular advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2024, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
IOM Euro-Asia Conference and Expo, media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
Thanks for watching.